You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We'll be looking at how to say the name of this famous stadium in Paris, and we'll be looking at how to say more useful vocabulary too in famous places in France, so stay tuned to learn more. In French, in France, it's said as Stade de France. Stade de France. In English, Stade de France. Stade de France. It's easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.